Hey YouTube, Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of feels weird being the one in the chair because I've been styling the little girls' hair for so long, but I figured it was time for a new tutorial that you can do on yourself. So I'm gonna show you these really cute twists. Before we get started, I'm super excited to be reviewing Pantene's new line. It's their Pure Clean and Clarify, free of all the things. We'll be talking about this soon, and I'll share kind of my wash schedule and how to keep your hair super healthy and clean and hydrated, especially with all the changing seasons. So thank you Pantene for sponsoring this video. Let's get into it. All right, you're gonna split the hair in half. That's right, we're doing the center part today, and then you're gonna clip one side out of the way. Next, you're gonna take a small section from the front, divide it into 2 equal parts. You can take out bangs. I actually ended up putting these back at the very end. So you're gonna twist the bottom strand over the top strand. Add a new section to the bottom strand and twist it over the top strand. And then you're gonna add in a new section to the bottom strand and twist it over the top strand. Are you seeing a pattern here? It's just a super simple twist. Make sure to keep the sections tight, and we're gonna go all the way to the nape of the neck. When you reach the nape of the neck, just take a hair tie and tie it off as if you're doing a regular ponytail, but on the very last wrap around, for a lack of a better word, wrap the hair into a half bun and leave the ends on top. Go ahead and tighten that bun if you need to, and then we're gonna wrap those ends around the ponytail so you can't see the elastic. Take a clear elastic this time and wrap that around the ends. I like to use just a regular ponytail because I feel like it's less damaging on the hair than using clear elastics. Go ahead and situate your bun and then stretch the twist out. Pull out some fringe to soften the hairstyle, and then what do you guys think? With the bangs, without the bangs? I ended up twisting them back into the hairstyle. And then if you guys have too much volume on the sides of the head, just use a bobby pin to tighten any of the hair or the pieces or the twist or whatever you need back into place. And now we're gonna repeat these steps on the other side. Okay, what do you think? It's so cute, super easy. Just a great way to get your hair out of your face. Super trendy with the twist and the middle part. You guys, we're doing the middle part. I can't even believe it. Anyway, we're gonna rewind this style, and I'm gonna show you how I prepped my hair, the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using, and some things that I'm doing to keep my hair super healthy and hydrated this season. I wash my hair at most once a week, and today I'm reviewing Pantene's Pure Clean and Clarify shampoo and conditioner. So it's a lightweight formula free of fragrances, silicones, parabens, dyes, and mineral oil. Pantene is really making big strides in clean and affordable hair care. So the shampoo removes oil and styling products while infusing the hair with a blend of provitamin B5 and antioxidants. So you're gonna get a good lather and then rinse. The Pantene clarifying formula removes any excess oil and styling buildup, and it leaves locks looking clean and ready to condition. Next up is the Pantene Pure Clean and Clarify conditioner. So I like to work the conditioner in from the bottom up, brushing through the hair and smoothing it out with my fingers. And then I like to let it sit on the hair for as long as possible. So I'll shave, wash my face, and then rinse. This Pantene conditioner is also infused with a blend of provitamin B5 and antioxidants. So it replenishes moisture and rinses clean, leaving the hair refreshed. And this conditioner is also free of fragrance, silicones, parabens, dyes, and mineral oil. I like to use a microfiber towel next to press the water out of my hair when I get out of the shower. This helps reduce frizz and seals in any moisture. Then it's on to styling products and blowing it dry. I like to use a paddle brush with 4 bristles. This helps smooth the hair and gives it some nice blown out volume. And then before styling, since my hair is usually super slippery clean after I wash it, I can either curl it to add texture, or I can add a dry texture spray to give my hair some extra grit, and then we're ready to style. For hydrated and healthy hair, you guys, make sure that you're drinking enough water, that you're taking a multivitamin, living a healthy lifestyle. Also make sure that your scalp is healthy. So like doing massages or scalp brushing is great, and using products like Pantene's Pure Clean and Clarify. I wanna know, what do you guys want to see next? Do you have any favorite products that I need to try? Any deep conditioning masks? And you can pick up Pantene's Pure Clean and Clarify products at CVS. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.